even if you don't take those skills, those newfound skills, and apply them into doing something, you at least have them. Then you can use them with something else later, right? If you get pretty good with understanding what all the different effects do and how to apply them, the harmony they work together, in which they work together, you can take that skill set and you may not use it on your own audio, but then you could take those skills and maybe apply them to someone else's audio and then edit podcasts. You could edit YouTube videos. You could do other things with the skills that you learn. So there's no such thing as, superfluous skills, right? You can always use the knowledge that you acquire by doing things yourself, learning to do it yourself, becoming self-sufficient. Do that. Learn it. Learn it.